Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. Now here is a must-have perennial for your garden. So this is Lobelia bridgesii. It's kind of rare, hard to find, but I think it'll become more commonly available in the next couple of years. But this is a close relative to Lobelia tupa, if you've heard of that. Comes from Chile. But I love these pink flowers that are so attractive to hummingbirds, you can't believe it. The nice thing is, other than the fact that it needs full sun, you could plant it in almost any kind of soil and it'll thrive. Look, it's even taller than me. And the best thing about this plant, it's on the front page of my book. Oh la la! No wonder this is my favorite plant.